Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome to 7A Accounting and Advisory Services. Today I'm gonna discuss about the QuickBooks Online. So for those who subscribe to QuickBooks as a business owner, and for those accountants who work remotely from different places around the world as a remote bookkeeper or remote accountant. So I'm gonna discuss it's briefly about the location of this. With one subscription, you can use 3 or 4 businesses at the same time in the same subscription as a group of account in just one subscription, so that you can save dollars. If you pay $50 for one company, you are going to pay $200 for 4 companies, but in one subscription you can do the same accounting, same accounting functions, features in just one subscription, so that you can save your dollars per month. So how it works? Let's go to QuickBooks. This is the QuickBooks account, the dashboard. Just subscribe to one account and for free account to show you how it works. With the ABC group. Under this group, there are 3 companies, subsidiary company. You can to do that. You just go to the account setting and advanced setting. Go to advanced and just turn on the location and track classes. So we are going to use the classes. We will use a location. Just turn on it, and then you can add your subsidiary company to this account. So go to the all list and go to location. You can see here. After that, you will find it's a new tab. Just click on the new. You can add your subsidiary company here and name and different location, different address, different location for your invoices. And here I just added 3 company. You can see company 1, company B, company C, so that this is the ABC group, and there are 3 companies. Say example, a company A is mother company. So what you will do after that, actually, chart of account is just one for one subscription. So you have to rearrange this chart of account as your group of accounts. So how you will do it? Just go to the chart of account. You will see how I arrange. So you can see that cash on hand, company A, cash on hand, company B, cash on hand, company C. There are 3 companies. There should be 3 cash accounts for 3 companies. And in the bank account, you can see AB Bank. C means company A or 1 to 3. There's the last 3 digits of your account number. If you have the more than one account in the same bank, so that we use the last 3 digits of the account. And the EBSCB means company B. Just write down the company name at the end of the bank account, and the name of bank account and the cash on hand, so that your accountant can identify easily which is actually bank account for which subsidiary company. As you can use one chart of account for all of your 3 or 4 accounts, 4 companies in this subscription. So actually, how you can be benefited using this location. If you go to the reports and go to the balance sheet, you will see this balance sheet. As default, it is a group balance sheet. You can see, but if you want to see the individual your balance sheet of the companies, so just go to the display and location. You will see the company-wise balance sheet in this report. Have a look at that. Just company A, company B, and company C as the balance sheet of your group of companies, as well as individual balance sheet here. At the same process, you can go to the income statement. This is income statement, profit and loss. As a default, you will see the always the group of accounts profit and loss statement. And if you want to see the individual report, you just go to the display and select location. You will find the company-wise profit and loss statement here. You can see. And if you want to see individual company, say example, I want to see the company B income statement. Go to the filter and just select location here, and just select the desired company you want to see. Say example, company B, I want to see. Just select company B. You will get the financial statement, profit and loss statement of company B here. So it's really good features of QuickBooks. If you We implemented these functions to several our clients, it's really working. If you want to do the same, you can contact with us. I will give you the contact number. You can contact with us. So let's discuss briefly how it works actually. Let's say I created expense here. So I want to create a expense from company A, cash AB Bank. It will be the expense account. Important thing is to select the location in every form of your expense, invoice, bills, whatever, however you post a transaction in QuickBook, you will get the location in every form. You have to select this location for a desired company, or so that you can get the financial statement to the desired subsidiary company. So if you want, if we select a company A, and let's say categorize the expense here. So example, advertising cost 25,000. How it will impact actually in group of account here. We will see that we want to go to report again, and the financial statement, profit and loss statement. Here you can see the advertising expense is 40,000. This is a group expenses. So I just categorize it's the location. That was just individual statement. Now you can see the 40,000 25,000 just created this expense just now, and it was belongs to the company A, and now you can see the company A column, advertising expense 25. So this is how you can record of the transaction of your companies in the just one subscription, and you will get the group of the account here, group financial statement, group profit and loss. You can actually save your money just doing this. If you want to do these functions, implement this, set up these functions, so you can contact with us. I will give you the WhatsApp number of our accounting firm. Thank you so much for watching.